means that our mobile devices presents a significant opportunity for business. Say to create engaging and memorable experiences for their customers. Privacy concerns. As with any new technology, our mobile devices brings up concerns about privacy. Our applications require access to a user's location, camera, and other personal data. This raises privacy concerns, especially since users may not be aware of what data is being collected and how it is being used. Developers need to be more transparent with the users when it comes to the information that is being collected and how it is being used. Moreover, as AR continues to evolve, it is expected that it will become even more versatile and adaptable to various industries and sectors. In education, AR can enhance the classroom experience by providing an interactive and immersive experience for students to learn. In addition, it is expected that the advancements in our technology will make it more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people, including those in developing countries. This means that AR can be used to address important issues and challenges such as education, healthcare, and poverty. Furthermore, the collaborative nature of AR creates the possibility for shared experiences. Friends and family can participate in immersive experiences such as virtual travel or games, in a way that previously wasn't possible. In addition to the various industries and sectors AR is currently catering to, the technology has also been utilized in the entertainment industry. For instance, AR has been used in live performances, such as concerts, festivals, and theater plays to enhance the audience experience by creating interactive and immersive environments. AR can create dynamic backgrounds, interact with the audience, and project visuals that merge with the performance. Furthermore, AR can also bring historical landmarks and cultural sites to life. Our technology can provide virtual tours of ancient ruins, museums, and other cultural sites, bringing history and culture to life in an interactive and engaging way. This also makes these sites more accessible to people who may not have the opportunity to visit them physically. The potential uses of AR have only begun to be explored, and there is still so much that can be achieved with this technology. The future of AR in mobile devices seems bright, and it is exciting to think about the new advancements and developments that are still yet to come. In addition to the numerous benefits that AR in mobile devices offers, it is also important to note that its implementation requires a significant amount of technical expertise. Developers need to possess the necessary skills and knowledge to create AR applications that are efficient, effective, and secure. This highlights the importance of investing in education and training programs that can equip professionals with the skills they need to work with our technology. Furthermore, the success of AR in mobile devices is also dependent on the availability of high-speed internet connections and stable networks that can support the technology. This means that more investment is needed in areas such as broadband infrastructure, network optimization, and Internet of Things (IoT) technologies. Finally, it is essential that the regulatory frameworks are suited to guide the development and implementation of AR in mobile devices. The future of AR in mobile devices is exciting and is set to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. From e-commerce and gaming to education and healthcare, our technology has the potential to create more immersive and engaging experiences for users. As we move towards a more connected world, AR in mobile devices will become an increasingly important technology, one that will shape the way we live, work and play. The potential applications of AR are endless, and its impact on our daily lives is set to continue growing. As such, those in the industry should continue investing in research and development to advance the technology and explore ways to apply it. With these efforts, the potential of AR in mobile devices can be fully realized, leading us to a more exciting future.